Hello guys, it's Mark from 2DogRC. I got this little Firefly action cam in and we're going to do a little unboxing and show you some details, and then I'll get you some flight video as well. So I got this off of, I don't remember, I'll put the link below, but it's a Firefly micro action cam. And the reason I got it is because it weighs very little and I wanted to put it on my Diatone GTM 3-inch. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay, so we don't need a box anymore. So here's the camera. We'll get to that part first. So there's our little camera. We need grams. There it goes. 15 grams. So the camera itself is 15 with the little plastic case 23. And there is a things verse for TPU mount. I'll put that in the description below. So there's the camera mount. So it comes with this little plastic. It's about 30 degrees. That one little, okay, so when you mount it in the case, the buttons go on the top, Firefly on this side, the open side, and then this side has a little guarded thing to protect your SD card. So mounts just like this, and then you just zip tie it or whatever on your little frame. It's got a little hole here if you wanted to zip tie through there and this side, double zip tie it. It's only got two buttons on it. You've got a go button and a picture button, and it does come with instructions. Firefly. So it's pretty just basic. You got a reset button, mode button, power button. That's about it. So here's your reset button. You push down there and it'll reset it, factory defaults. Or no, sorry, right there. USB to charge and transfer images, SD card. It says it'll run for 50 minutes recording. It charges in about 2 hours, it says. It's got a 2.8 focal lens, and it's got 160 degrees field of view. So it's not super wide, but this isn't like a primary, you know, this is for a little 3-inch. And so here's this little guy, and here's a GoPro session. So you can see a little relative size comparison there, how big they are. See, like that. I can see that's a good way. There you go. That's a good perspective there. So it's really light. It goes in this little mount. It also comes with the kind of mounting hardware you get with like a GoPro, so you can mount it, you know, on something, an action cam. And here's your charge cable, USB, and also this is a video out. So you could connect this to like a TV or something and play it right to the TV if you have the RCA. I bought this for my Diatone GTM 3-inch because just DVR, no one wants to watch DVR footage. That's boring. So my plan, see, that's too flat. That's not enough angle there. Probably, it should match or be greater, I think, than your FPV. Oh yeah, one other thing in this, it's got a little latch back here where you can put a string, so you could safety tie this to your frame in case it gets lost. Put a parachute on there or whatever. So here, this is how it would mount. So you can see that's about the same angle as my lens. And that's kind of what you want. And then I just would zip tie this to the frame. I might try to get a TPU mount made that'll sit right on that. That would be pretty cool. But I want somewhere I can take it off, so if I don't need the camera, I can save some weight and put this on. But that'll fit real nicely right there. And that's what it's for. I'll get some footage here shortly on that. But this is again the Firefly micro action cam, and I think it was very inexpensive. I'll put the link below, but it's a lot cheaper than buying a GoPro. And again, it's just for the little ones. Also, one thing on the camera, the way it records is each video file is 15 minutes, and then it stops and starts a new video file. Kind of cool because it does prevent any damage if you lost power or something. You may have some of your flight on there or not. I mean, most of us, we don't fly for 15 minutes anyway, but I can get 5 on this Diatone GTM. But that's it, and I'll put the links below and some video to come.